Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hi. You want more information about cleaning a George Foreman grill? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about cleaning a George Foreman grill is cleaning.lovetono.com. See the page titled How to Clean a George Foreman Grill. Love to know. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.thriftyfun.com, especially the page Cleaning a George Foreman Grill Thrifty Fun. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.thekitchn.com. The web page What is the best way to clean a George Foreman grill? Here's the link.